Just a little coffee montage to start this video. It was my birthday, so made some good coffee, and then we got on the road and headed to Florida, and we had a blast. Really hope you like this one. Hope did 90% in the filming, and I think she did a great job. And she also got to see a dolphin, we think. It might have been a dolphin. Not too sure, but it was a big splash.
Oh, I did see one. I saw the tips.
Welcome to Florida.
I got it on film. Get ready to cross another bridge. But halfway across, we'll be in Florida. Some tall weeds. Diving birds. I was hoping for a dolphin or something here. Oh, I did see one. I saw the tips. Cool.
Welcome to Florida.
I got it on film too.
Well, keep watching it.
I'm watching. I was going to take some on your side. Did you get the other side? Give me another flipper before I get off this bridge. That's a long dock. Pretty one. We're in the Pensacola Lighthouse and Maritime Museum right now. This really looks southern. Look at them trees. Just expect somebody to walk out in a ball gown and wander around, have a little picnic.
Pretty cool.
Oh, I'm in a way. Pulleys in action. Physics in action. One, two, three. Ooh, that's gonna be heavier. Oh, there's a stork here. Nice.
Like it.
Okay, that well is underground. The pulleys help to get the water. Can you see the well? Yep. We used to just have the newer one that was the hand crank pull to pull up the water.
How you doing?
Fine. Please do and pass the word. We're close to 500. Getting there. There's a really nice lady. She's sweet. I'm gonna take up all the time. And she's gotta work too. Memorial brick. Okay, I'm gonna wait to go in the museum with Kevin. We will go walk around the grounds. Sorry, that was a little crooked, guys. All right, 2 years ago, The lighthouse was painted black and white, and up there on the top you can kind of see at the tippy top, like way up here, you can see like fractures, and that wasn't gonna fall or anything like that. What they did is they took routers and went in deeper on it, and then they filled all the cracks with a Kevlar coating, so it's really tight and it's not gonna go anywhere, she said. Pretty cool. Things you learn. That's the keeper's cellar. It's storage supplies such as dry goods, root vegetables, and other foodstuffs that had to be kept cool and dry. Like the rest of the house, the cellar is modified and adapted over time to suit the changing needs of the people who lived here. Pretty cool, and I betcha that was a hurricane shelter too. Figure out which one what kind that is, so I can get some and put it in my backyard. Have some nice shade. Here's an oil shed. They stored oil. Inside the tower was a fire hazard. Oh. Yeah, but you want to keep that separate. Oh, do you see the boat? Yes, I do. Did you smell? And can you find the red lantern? Let's give it a whir. Here's the boat. And your life jacket. Oh, there's a red lantern. In case you had a signal anyway. There's your gasoline storage for your boat. And your motorboat if you had it. There's the fire, I think, in the corner. That's a winch. Yellow fever in Pensacola, the quarantine stations. The dreaded Scourges, yellow fever in Pensacola. That's if you want to catch some minnows so you can go fishing. Wood shaver to plane it. Oil can. Your fishing net, and somebody had to tie these things. Weight out of cement or concrete. I think that was an oil can, big one. They use it for rowboats, dock, or buoy. Landlubbers use it in pickup trucks. Landlubbers. Ugh. My dad used it for his boat. Camellia bush. Yay, me too. We've got an outhouse. That one looks like it's fortified. Used to be the bathroom. Does it look like your bathroom? Sometimes it feels like it. The modernness. I'm gonna find somebody to ask. investigating the bench, I see. It's his birthday and he went up and he came back and he's like, my knees are killing me. Here it says Marion medicine chest. Oh, that's where the doc kept all his medicines. Chamber pot. Beautiful view. Seen a few beds like that since way back then. Ooh. Spinning wheel. We got a lady in Richlands that offers classes, I think, in North Carolina. She's spun. I don't know if she's still there though. That's pretty. Water closet. This is where you would put that up, wash your hands, give yourself a quick wash. Oh, that threw me off. Huh. Michaela Ingram. Helen McCormick. Martha C. Watts. Martha Lawrence. Vinnie Hughes. Mary J. Madden. The women of Pensacola's Lighthouse. 6 women served. That's pretty awesome. Some of her dishes from back then. Ida Wally, Ida Lewis. She inherited a position when she was 15 years old. Whew. Semper Paratus, always ready. The Spars Coast Guard. Women's Reserve. Pretty cool. Beautiful uniform. Captain Dorothy Stratton. Spars. Spars. More spars. More spars. I think Stratton was a movie star. I swear on it, but sure sounds like it. That's awesome. Pretty cool. Well, 133 women officially served as either head or assistant keeper of the lighthouse. That is pretty awesome. This is your reading room.
Hello.
Do a quick stage brief if you go up. Guests descending the tower staircase have a right of way to the handrail. Watch your head on the staircase. You will step through 2 low-rise hatch openings near the top of the tower. The lens at the top of the tower rotates at all times. And if you would like to take a break, you can use the window well.
Okay. Is that it? Thank you. That's where we're going. Boy, is it cold in here. Hey, how you doing? There you go. Okay, so this is where we're at. Pensacola, home of Blue Angels. Yeah, beautiful place. Didn't cost a penny. Amazing.